Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is India's first long-range revolver. Recently, India is set to launch its inaugural long-range revolver named Prabal. The revolver is manufactured by the state-owned enterprise Advanced Weapons and Equipment India located in Kanpur. The Prabal revolver is chambered in 32 bores and stand out with its firing range of up to 50 meters. It is more than twice the range of other revolvers in India. The Prabal revolver features an innovative side swing cylinder representing a significant advancement in revolver design. The Prabal revolver is light in weight and equipped with a side swing cylinder. It boasts a barrel length of 76 mm and an overall length of 177.6 mm. Notably, its user-friendly trigger pulls makes it a convenient option even for women who can easily carry it in their handbags, thus augmenting personal safety. Now, information about Advanced Weapons and Equipment India, that is AWEIL. It is situated in Kanpur's Armapur area and specializes in producing defense equipment. It is formed from 8 former factories of the Ordnance Factory Board. It is a government-owned enterprise emphasizing the production of defense equipment, and its primary area of expertise lies in the production of small arms and artillery.